Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Dynamics 365 email templates for sales outreach, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Dynamics 365 application and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Sales module from the main dashboard. In the Sales module, find and click on Email Templates. Once in the Email Templates section, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the email template you wish to restore. If you don't remember the exact name, browse through the list of available templates. Select the template you want to restore by clicking on it. Now, check the status of the template in the Details view. If the email template is inactive or deactivated, look for an option to edit or activate it. Click on the Edit button to open the template for modifications. Review the content of the email template to ensure it meets your outreach needs. If necessary, make any edits to the subject line or body of the email. Save your changes by clicking the Save button in the upper right corner. Next, find the option to activate the template if it was previously inactive. Confirm the activation when prompted by the system. Once activated, the template will be available for use in your sales outreach efforts. You can test the template by creating a new email and selecting it from the templates list. Review the email to ensure everything appears as expected. Finally, you are ready to utilize your restored email template for effective sales outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.